Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Augustus Plants. Today we have another Hoya unboxing from two different vendors. Are from Gardino's nursery and from the plant farm yet again. The plant farm has been just throwing out some amazing Hoyas, and they put up a Hoya that I was like impressed because it was a full-size 6-inch pot hanging basket of a very unique Hoya. And so I don't have this, of course I purchased, so that's gonna be the last Hoya that I'm gonna show you. It's only two Hoyas, so let's begin with Gardino's nursery. So if you guys want to see what I bought from the plant farm and from Gardino's nursery, what Hoya is that I got in a 6-inch hanging basket, just keep on watching. So guys, by the way, a lot of you guys were telling me that you guys enjoyed the microphone. So I have it yet again, and I think I'll keep it for the rest of my videos here. So yes, but anyways, let's get started with the unboxing. Okay guys, so this is a Hoya that I've never heard of before, up until my friend Plants by Misha did an unboxing and she showed this Hoya. And not only did I purchase Hoyas from Gardino's nursery, my Hoyas are growing, and so I've been, repotting them. And so that what I order, and let me know in the comments below, but I ordered some nursery pots. I just feel that for me, for some reason, this type of pots go really well on my Hoyas. So yes guys, I bought a set of 3 nursery pots from Gardino's nursery, and for some reason, ever since I started purchasing Hoyas, every time they come in this type of like 6-inch pots, my Hoyas do well. None of the Hoyas that I've received in this type of pots have died, except for my macrophylla, but that was my mistake. But I have really good hopes using this type of pots because they always do great, and so I had to purchase them. I was running low on nursery pots, and so I had to get ones. I have the little ones, but my Hoyas are big, so they need like a larger size pot. And so yeah, they come in with the hangers as well, as you guys can see right here. But yeah, I got this set of 3. But now to the exciting part, which is the Hoya. So let's see what Hoya this is, guys. Comment down below if you guys think what Hoya this is. It's a little 2-inch pot Hoya, guys. So a little bit of an ASMR for you guys. Wow, it's very little. Wow, I cannot. Hoya mini Kentiana. Look at this, it's very little. I'm kind of disappointed. My friend Misha, she got one from Gardino's nursery, and her Hoya was way bigger than mine. This is way too little. And for the price of it, I think it was $27. I'm very disappointed. This is not good. This is kind of the first time I received a Hoya from Gardino's, and I'm not happy. I was expecting this to be a little bit larger, to be honest. Looking at the Hoyas, but looking at the leaves, yeah, they're just, I don't know, I was expecting something else. I'm kind of not enjoying this Hoya, to be honest. So hopefully it's a fast grower, but this Kentiana for me, honestly, it's just not it, guys. So I'm not happy with it. It's a small leaf Hoya, so, but we'll just see how it grows. I hope it's a fast grower. I'm gonna put it in coconut husks and see how it grows. Okay guys, so yeah, honestly, I'm actually very disappointed in Gardino's nursery. I've never been disappointed before, but that Hoya was just way too little. But let's just move on to the plant farm. Hopefully I get happy. So here is a 6-inch full-on big mother plant that I purchased from the plant farm. So let's get started. This is also a small leaf Hoya, and I'm very, very impressed. Well, very excited to open it up, guys. So when I saw that this Hoya was in the listings, I was like, what? I couldn't believe it, because I've never seen anyone offer this size of a Hoya for such a good price. Okay guys, here it is. Let's just let that hang out. I'm shaking. Okay. Oh god, there's even tendrils on the top part. There's even tendrils up on the top. Let me do a close-up so you guys can see. Some tendrils. Look at that. Oh my god, guys. my god. Wow. I didn't think it was gonna be this huge. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. If I was disappointed with Gardino's nursery, this is just like, oh my god. You can even see a little bit of the, let me just, oh my god. Okay, let me, I'm even struggling trying to take out the, there was like a little band-aid or something around here, but I was struggling to take it out. But here it is, guys. Can you guys guess what Hoya this is? Oh my god, my heart is like, I'm so happy. Here it is. Look at this. Oh my god. This is Hoya Endauensis. Let's see if I could do a close-up of it. Endauensis, it's too bright. Oh my god. It feels like it was wet. So it's wet. I'm a little bit worried because it's wet. So I'm not gonna wet this plant at all. Oh my god. Guys, I'm sorry, I'm shocked at this beauty. This is, oh my god, guys, look at this beautiful Hoya. Like, let me do a close-up so you guys can take a look at it. Okay guys, so it arrived with a few yellow leaves, but that's okay. It's a huge Hoya. I didn't think it was gonna be this big. It's lovely, it's beautiful. It has very long tendrils, very large tendrils for sure. Oh guys, I'm impressed. The leaves are very furry, like the leaves are just very furry and whirly, and they feel very thick at the same time. Not thick, but they feel hard and very, very rubbly. I'm just super happy. The color of the leaves are great. The texture of the leaves is also really nice. I'm gonna be looking for if there has any peduncles, but just looking at the Hoya itself, it looks very happy, very healthy. It did arrive with a few leaf damage, but I mean, this was a huge Hoya, and I mean, I was expecting some, you know, Hoya flowers, and so I was expecting some leaves to definitely fall. But I mean, I'm super happy, guys. This one, it's a stunner. I am super impressed. I mean, guys, look at this beautiful plant. It's just gorgeous, and I've seen this plant go for like cuttings of it for like $60-$80. I mean, when they had this plant, it was not even $100. I think it was $85 for this size Hoya. Like, look at this. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's just, I'm super happy. I'm super impressed. Very happy. If you guys don't have this Hoya, I could probably do some cuttings and trade with some of you guys. But oh my god, guys, look at this. It's just, it's so nice, so cute. It's gonna be like a Mathilde Serpens type where it's very little, and I'm just, oh my god, I'm shocked. The leaves feel so nice. If you guys don't have this in your collection, get it, because it's beautiful. And it's, oh my god, look at this. Like, it's a full-on mother plant. Like, oh my god, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm just gonna go ahead and fix this plant and the other Kentiana. But if you guys are interested in more videos like this with the microphone, leave me a comment down below. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Kapun karigato, kasamasta. Don't forget to drink water your plants. Also, something I want to do is, if you guys have an Instagram, follow me on Instagram and tag me on your Hoyas. I want to see what your Hoyas look like, what your collection looks like, and I just want to, you know, maybe find out about more Hoyas, because there's every single day there's a Hoya that I didn't know existed that I learn about. So, you know, follow me on Instagram, share with me your Hoyas, and we can just grow as a family, grow as a channel, grow as a community. And yeah, but anyways, I'm super impressed with this plant. I am beyond belief. Thank you so much for watching again, guys. Don't forget to drink water. Water your plants, not too much because you can kill them. Drink water, put sunscreen. Have a good day.